Class, it's dismissed. But before you go, I need to make an announcement tomorrow morning. There's gonna be a fire drill, and I want you to behave. No, I don't want to do fire drill. The fire alarms are very loud and they scare people for no reason. And shout to me. Too bad, Margo. You still have to do it. It's one way how we can be safe. Anyways, you may go now. I'm scared. I don't want to do the fire drill tomorrow. I want to cancel it for good. Sophie gave me idea. I can break all the school fire alarms, so we won't never do any fire drills forever. I'll do this in 1 a.m. I am going to bring a hammer and a bag full of rocks. Looks like nobody's in here. Not even the security camera. Time to do what must be done. Yay! I broke the fire alarms. No more scary fire alarms ever again. Margo Babies, please report to my office immediately. Margo, do you know what happened? I found a security camera. What happened? That happened at 1 a.m. I don't know. You do know. Let's play the footage because you have something to do with this. Now, would you mind explaining this? I broke the fire alarms because fire alarms scare me to death and they're very loud. Just as I suspected. Margo, you know breaking school probably is illegal. We have fire alarms installed for a reason. They used to help protect the school from getting burned down. You had no right to do that. You know what happens if there's the fire alarm? We don't know how at all. The building could probably burn down, so you don't ever do that to the school probably. The fire alarms will be suspended for you are now suspended from school. Here's your explanation paper. It's for your parents to sign. You are no longer coming back to Dollars High School. Go home now, and I'm calling your parents. Margo! I cannot believe it. Are you serious with us? We cannot believe you got expelled from school for breaking a fire in school. That is illegal. We also have to pay the school $100 from what you did. And we are also to sign your explanation paper. That's it. We are calling the police to send you to jail. No. I don't want to go to jail. I'm sorry. I won't do it again. Nope. Too late for you to apologize. We are still calling the police. The court is now session. It appears that a kid in Dollars High School named Margo Davis has been breaking all the school fire alarms. Margo, what can you yourself to this crime? Not guilty. Nope, not true. Margo is actually guilty for this. She should be arrested now. Margo, I'm afraid you will get sent to jail. Hester Smith, I'm sending you to the cell. You are staying here for 37 months. I wish you learned your lesson.